Most Etsy sellers make the same mistake. They collect hundreds of keyword ideas, but never have enough time to analyze them properly. Instead of spending your entire day checking keywords one by one, I will show you how to analyze 100 keywords at the same time. Today, I'm going to test 100 Etsy keywords using EHunt's batch keyword analysis feature and see what opportunities we can find. First, I prepared a list of 100 Etsy keywords related to my niche. Instead of searching each keyword manually on your keyword tool, I can simply import all of them into EHunt. EHunt gives you multiple ways to analyze keywords. You can manually enter your keywords, paste Etsy listing URLs, or upload a CSV file with your keyword list. This makes it much easier when you already have a large keyword database or competitor listings you want to research. After one click, EHunt analyzes all 100 keywords together. You can see important data like competition level, search volume, sales performance, favorites, and Google search data. But the most useful part is the filtering system. Instead of looking through hundreds of keywords manually, I can create custom filters based on my strategy. For example, I can find keywords with lower competition, higher demand, or focus on long-tail keywords that are easier for new sellers to rank for. Now I can quickly identify which keywords have better opportunities. Rather than guessing which keywords to use, I can make decisions based on actual market data. Keyword research doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With EHunt Batch Keyword Analysis, you can analyze hundreds of keyword opportunities faster and find better keywords for your Etsy listings. Try EHunt today and make your Etsy keyword research easier. That's all for today. See you next time.